Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you how to verify your account on the Kraken Exchange. After registering in the dashboard section, you click on Verify Identity. In this section you enter your first and last name as well as your date of birth and full address. If you wish, you can also add your apartment number. Additionally, you enter your city, postal code, and mobile phone number. In this section, you enter your occupation and click on Continue. Here, you state the purpose for opening this account. And at the bottom, you provide some information about your job and specify the amount you intend to deposit and withdraw. Additionally, you enter the number of trades and click on Continue. In this section, you provide additional information about yourself, and if you wish, you can answer these questions in detail. Finally, you click on Continue. In the next step, you need to upload a photo of your ID card. You click on Continue. You enter your country of residence and click on Continue. You select the document you want to upload, which can be chosen from categories such as driver's license, passport, or ID card. Here, we are registering the ID card. In this section, you choose whether to take a live photo with your selfie camera or upload one using your mobile phone or computer. If you prefer to continue with your mobile phone, click on this option. We select Upload Photo and upload a picture of the front of our ID card. And in the next step, you upload a picture of the back of your ID card. Your documents will then be reviewed. In the next step, you need to take a selfie with your system's camera by clicking on this option, and to take the photo, click on this button. You will enter your account dashboard, and to check the status of your verification, you click on your profile. Click on Settings and go to the Verification section. And as you can see, our account was verified in less than 5 minutes. Good luck.